First recipe I'm giving you is a peach cobbler dump cake. This is one of the first desserts I ever made in my cooking journey. So many years ago, my aunt showed up with this recipe at the lake, and I was like, what in the world are you doing, and how is that gonna work? It did, and it continues to be one of my favorite desserts of all time, plus one of the top rated recipes we've ever had. Now don't blink, because this comes together so fast with only 3 ingredients. You could do this same dessert if you've never done this before with any kind of fruit, any kind of cake mix. We're about to hit the hot summer months, and so a good peach cobbler with cold ice cream is one of the best things in the world. So 2 cans of peaches straight down in our dish. I like to take another can and kind of drain the fruit out. This is not in the recipe. I just like mine extra fruity. Second ingredient is just boxed cake mix. Listen, we're talking about dump and go today, so cake mix it is, because I'm trying to give you dump, and go. You just want to spread it out. This should not work, but it just does. Final ingredient, butter. So I'm gonna slice it up into a bunch of thin slices and try to cover the whole surface. Couldn't be any easier. You can also do these in the aluminum pans because those are 9x13, so these recipes work perfectly, but we're just being pretty today. 375 for about 45 to 55 minutes until it's all gooey, brown, and bubbly. I mean, can you taste that? Can you taste it by looking at it? Because I can. Of course, we want to eat it while it's warm, but right now it's piping hot. So you want to let it cool down for at least about 10 minutes before you serve it. Okay, digging in for what I really believe is the OG perfect bite when it comes to desserts. Give me some of that fruity, syrupy goodness. Cold ice cream meets the hot cobbler, starts to melt and create that liquid gold right there. That's what I'm talking about. I wish you could feel how much my mouth is watering, because it's probably not normal. The ultimate hot and cold. Every time, this is the most foolproof dessert that exists, the peach dump cake. You also get a little bit of salty sweet, because that salty butter, when it combines with that cake mix, just toast up, and then you get that juicy fruit with that cold ice cream. Listen, I cannot be eating the whole serving of each of these desserts.